Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. In today's tutorial, guys, I'm going to show you to do a WhatsApp sent images recovery. All right, so this is a tutorial for WhatsApp. This will be for the Samsung Galaxy S26, applies to any Samsung device. And I'll show you how to locate your sent images. Now, if you do not know, WhatsApp actually stores an archive of every sent image. It's actually stored on WhatsApp itself. So in order to access your WhatsApp images, I'm going to show you to do that. And of course, what you're going to need, you're going to do a Windows PC. You're going to need your USB cable. So go ahead and hook it up to your PC. So this is now connected to the PC. All right. So first of all, you're going to go here. You're going to launch Explorer. You're going to go ahead and you're going to go all the way down here. You're going to go to this PC. You're going to see your phone. But of course, in most cases, the phone is going to be charging and there's going to be nothing. So what you want to do here is swipe down. You're going to go right here and you're going to tap. And you're going to see here it says charging phone only. You're going to go to this option here that says transfer files / Android Auto. Now you want to use this option as it's going to show all the files on the PC. So go ahead and select that option. It's going to ask the confirmation. There you go. It's now says transfer files is active. You'll notice in the background, we're now seeing that there's actually the storage of the phone. And it says internal storage and it shows how much is being used and how much is free. All right, so we're going to open. Now this is the key part. Once you're at the main part of the folder, what you're going to do here is going to search for the WhatsApp folder. Now the WhatsApp folder is here, but you need to find it. In my case, to find it, I usually just go here and type in WhatsApp. All right, so I'll give it some time to search through the files. All right. So go ahead and search. It says working on it. Do not try to rush it. It's going to search. It's going to find several folders. Now, the trick here is that not all of these are relevant. So what you want to do is search for the one that said specifically WhatsApp. And I think images. This is the one. WhatsApp images. So you're going to open WhatsApp images. Then you're going to have a private folder. You're going to have a sent folder. Go to sent. I'll try to keep these. All right. So here it's been populated. Now, all of these is every WhatsApp image you have ever sent that's stored, whether or not it's visible. It actually keeps a copy and it stores every sent WhatsApp image, starting from the oldest to the newest. So all of the photos you have ever sent on that account is stored unless you have deleted them. So I can actually see every photo I've ever sent. A copy is kept within the WhatsApp archive, whether or not I have ever used them. So if you go through, you'll find, and you can look at them yourself, you'll see that they're actually there. All of your photos are shown that have ever been sent. So once it was sent, it will automatically keep a copy here. All right. All right. So when you're finished, you can close out. And that's pretty much it. I'll show you another way to get here as well without the PC. You'll also find other stuff in private as well, or share some more of your photos as a bonus. All right. And let me show you on the how to do it on the phone itself. It doesn't require a PC. So go ahead and go here. You're gonna find your file explorer. So go ahead and go to, sorry about that. Here we go. Go to my files, which is the file explorer. You're gonna be here. If you're not here, keep going back. So for example, if you're in manage storage and you're not seeing what I'm showing you here, go back, keep heading back. And what you wanna do here is you wanna go to, I think if I remember it correctly, go to docs. No, you should see folders. So you wanna go to, give me a second here, I'm trying to remember. Go to, here we are. Go to internal storage, there you are. Once you're seeing folders, you're good. From here, you're going to search. It's too extensive, so I'm going to go and type in WhatsApp. So once you type WhatsApp, go ahead and search. There you go. And what you want to do from here, guys, is search for WhatsApp images. And there's the sent folder as well. So I won't show you all of those. So they're all here in the sent folder. Some are in private, but the main ones that you have sent are in sent folder. And that's it, basically. That was useful, guys. Now you can recover every photo that you have ever sent. See you in the next one, guys. Bye.